Hello and welcome to a short video on one of the unique features of the software Mystro for BaZi, Date Select, and Feng Shui. If you want to know more, you can watch other videos in this channel or go to my website, Mystro Feng Shui Software, and find a lot of documentation in print. Now, for today, I want to show you a little bit how the so-called cumulative word transfer works. You can analyze a lot of things in the software, and you can have a lot of these things in a Word document by pressing just one button. So this is a great way if you start with a new project. If you want to have an overview of the most important things for a new client and the property the client inhabits, private or business, then there's one sheet in the software. By the way, there's many sheets and you find other videos on that. And you can provide the data for the person here and also the data for the object, just the main thing. And then you can just go a little bit further to the right and press one of those buttons to get results from the horoscope for the Feng Shui or from both, depending on what you want. So you can also use it if you're interested in the BaZi or in the Feng Shui only. But now I want to go up and press one button, calculate and transfer all, and then we will get a short video on the transfer coming up in a Word document. So I press the button now, and the message comes up here whether all settings are correct, and the software should really go on in working. Otherwise, we could just cancel it here. And the next is that I prepared the horoscope before, so it says the person is still active and it doesn't have to calculate the horoscope again. It makes it shorter for this video. So I just confirm this and let it work now. So here you can follow the transfer to a Word document according to the options. So it's up to you whether you want to have it all or just a little bit when you start a new project. And it also depends on which school you come from, what you can make use of, and what you want to see in the software and in the transfer. So you can choose from these options before you let the transfer run. By now, I have confirmed that the results have been prepared and can be transferred to Word now. And now again, we see how they come up in our Word document, which can be used. And you can grab all these graphics coming up, put them in another document with your own letterhead or whatever, print them, amend them with additional commands, or do whatever you like. You have a professional document for your clients, or you just have a document for yourself. You can switch off the computer now and sit down and have a look at the document and decide what you want to do with it. You can check on the content in the Word document from the PDF or at my website. It's 29 pages, so there's a lot of information also on how it looks when you switch from one master to the other. I just want to come back to the software itself now and show you one more thing, which is one of the results for the flying stars. For example, you have the floor plan here and you have the flying stars in small blocks arranged around the floor plan. So I move one block away and move another block to the floor plan to overlap it. You see the sofa here, and in this corner we have flying stars 5 and 2. So this means health problems. So you can just grab this image and also transfer it to your Word document to explain to the client that this sofa is no good to sleep on because it may result in health problems. And you can forget about explaining all the other stars. So this makes it easy for you to have a document which really helps you in explaining something to your client. Or in fact, you can use the software and do an online presentation as I do it now. Well, then, this has been a short presentation of the cumulative word transfer in Mystro, which is a great way to start your analysis easily with a new project, and you get all the information you want for a short overview of what all this is about for the BaZi of the client and for the Feng Shui of the property. And you can choose from many options what you want to see in the Word document, and you can add further information later on when you work more with all the various facilities in the software. And please watch the other videos on what you can do. Anyway, you have a Word document where you can move graphics around, you can write commands, and you can benefit yourself later on, or you can impress your clients with a very professional documentation. Here's more to read. Go to my website, Astro Feng Shui Software, and click on all the other information as well, or just use this shortcut for the presentation of 29 pages on the cumulative word transfer. I hope this has made you interested in the software Mystro and the unique features you have there to achieve more success with less effort. My name is Andreas Schöning. I'm in this area of Feng Shui, astrology, and software for more than 20 years, and I hope I can also help you to achieve better results for your work and for your clients by using the software Mystro. Please contact me on one of the numbers and addresses you find here or you find at my website. If you found it interesting, I hope I will hear from you, and I will be happy to give you a personal presentation and later on also to sell you the software and coach you in all the features which you may not know about so far. It's very easy to learn about it when you have the software at your hands. Even if you don't know the theory, it's not necessary to know all about the theory to be using it to your advantage and to the advantage of your clients. So thanks for watching, all the best for you, and hope to see you again in another video and to hear from you on the phone or with a message. Thanks again. Bye-bye for now.